Hello there. Today we'll guide you on setting up multiple free gift offers within a single campaign in Kite app. Offering multiple gifts based on different conditions can significantly boost your average order value and improve customer satisfaction. So let's dive in and create it. First, we'll create a free gift with purchase promotion and name it Test. As you scroll down, you'll find multiple gift rules that you can create. We'll be creating several gift rules. There are multiple conditions, but we set the first rule as spend X amount, such as 100, and get a free gift. We'll select our free gift here. Next, we'll create another condition. Buy any product from a specific collection. You gift and add the collection, which we'll select as the Jewel collection. If the customer buys a product from the Jewel collection, they can avail a free gift. We'll set the free gift as a dangling earring. Scrolling down, you'll see two options, automatically and manually. We want the gift to be added manually by the customer. So there are two options. Only one gift from all rules and multiple gifts, one for each rule. To meet our conditions, we'll select multiple gifts, one for each rule. Ensure that the discount combinations are checked in, so any other discounts from Shopify can be combined and work. Now, save it and let's test it out on our test store. Once saved, we'll view the offer. We created two conditions, one for spending 100 rupees and another for adding a single product from the Jewel collection. We'll then add this Jewel collection to our cart. Once added, we'll view the cart. Here, you'll see a widget saying, "You have unlocked free gifts. Both gifts are claimable." Click here, and it gets added. Click again, and that gets added to the cart. Now, you'll notice two gifts in the cart. That's how you can create multiple free gifts under a single campaign. If you have any further questions, feel free to connect with us.